Welcome back. I'm Reap, and I appreciate you for tuning in. So, today, we have another special pickup. This shoe was originally supposed to be a consolation prize because I wasn't able to get the Lebron 7 Media Days, but thanks to Ashley, I received them for my birthday. But I still wanted this pair of shoes anyway. So, in true E. fashion, I had to keep looking to see how the prices were gonna go. Luckily, the price was right, so I ended up getting these off of StockX. And the crazy thing is, the day that I bought them, they restocked on Undefeated. And I guess it was a random time, because I was waiting on the drop, but like none of the pages that I follow tweeted that they were live. So I was like, okay, maybe they're going to drop at a later time. So I ended up going to the Undefeated website, and they already dropped them, and the largest size was a 9, and I can't do anything with that. So I went ahead and bit the bullet, paid the resale on StockX, and not even 3 to 4 hours later, they restocked overseas on BSTN. But after the conversion and everything, I ended up paying $10 more than what they would have been if I got them for retail overseas. So win in my book. Let's go ahead and get into it. The LeBron 8 box. As I mentioned on the 7s, I do not remember this box being that big. But here we go. Got the LeBron with the lion. It's like a charcoal gray box. Nothing crazy. LeBron 8. I think it's VIII. And yeah, that's pretty much it. The retail was $200. So I believe I paid $32 over retail. But then, you know, the fees and all that. Oh, okay. StockX with the new postcards. Something different, whatever. Let's go get into the shoe. I don't know what it is about these LeBrons. There's always just that rubbery glue stuff on it I gotta take off all the time. But oh, look at that purple suede on these joints. Sheesh. Yeah, these are crazy. So yeah, I'm definitely gonna go ahead. Oh, they came with extra laces as well. So I'm gonna get this right shoe. Let's go and get into a close up of these joints. Had to make sure nothing else was in there. So let's go ahead and get it started. So, obviously, you see that purple suede on these joints. And it has kind of texture to it, you know, it's kind of tumbled. And then you have that huge yellow swoosh with the white outline. You have slightly tumbled leather going along the lace holes. White midsole. Of course, you have that yellow air unit, visible air unit. And then you have that purple outsole. Going up to the toe, you have that black swoosh. And then you see that LeBron kind of embedded in the leather. Going up the tongue, white laces, purple mesh tongue. And then you have, it's kind of like a plastic LeBron. I can't talk. Every time I unbox something Laker colorway, I feel like my speech and my vocabulary just goes out the window. I don't know what it is. As you can see, I'm really a Laker fan. I guess I'm just going to chalk it up to that. Because I can't speak anything about the Lakers correctly. It's crazy. So the tongue. You have a plastic LeBron lion head. And on the inside of the tongue, you have a purple insole. I said the inside of the tongue. Oh my, this is gonna be a long video, man. On the insole, you have that witness stitched in, size 12, of course. And that's what else? On the back heel, you have like this little pull tab, and then you have the leather with the LeBron signature and the Nike swoosh, kind of embedded on that white. Well, on the back of the tongue, designed and engineered to exact specifications of Mr. LeBron James, 828. Not sure what that means, but I will definitely look it up to see if I can find the answer. And that's going to be it for this one. You know, the purple laces, of course. They say 8 on it. Oh, LeBron 8, duh. I'm tripping. I don't know what it is about anything Laker related. I feel like I'm just going to have someone else unbox Laker related items in the future for my channel because I sound retarded, bro. No offense, like, not retarded as in, you know. But I'm just calling I sound crazy, man. It's wild. But yeah. Thank you for tuning in to this video and you bearing with me because I don't even know what I'm saying right now. But yeah, I'm definitely going to bounce back in the next video. So make sure you subscribe. Hit that notification bell so you won't miss it. So I can bounce back. I have to redeem myself for this disaster. But yeah. Check it out one more time, man. The LeBron 8 in that Laker colorway. Should be a big year for LeBron's, man. Hopefully they drop some more colorways or, you know, re-release some old colorways. So I'm definitely going to try my best to cop them and review them for you guys. So I'll catch you on the next one.
When I walk in the club, got money in pockets. I see you with your girls and now you're excited.